All right, let's review LCM. So this says Austin is buying flower bulbs for his garden. He wants to buy the same number of tulips and daffodils. If tulip bulbs come in packs of 10 and daffodil bulbs come in packs of 5, what is the least number of each type of bulb Austin will need to buy? So remember, when you're dealing with a word problem, you need to find those key words that talk to you or speak to you or tell you what you need to do. So the words that speak to me is least number, same number, okay, those all come in my mind. And that there's two different packs. There's a pack of 5 and there's a pack of 10. So having those packs, we know, and knowing that it's the least number, we know we're doing LCM. So I'm going to grab my material that I need. I'm going to create my T-chart. And again, remember, if we go off the page or into the answer at the bottom, that's fine. You may have to do that. So I have 5 and I have 10. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I'm going to actually stop there because then here I'm going to go 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, but I can stop. And the reason I can stop is because I see a 10 and a 10. So down below, the least number to each type of bulb Austin will buy is 10. Okay, that's quick, easy review of LCM. Now, if you need help or you are still struggling with this, you can look at your notebook and it'll take you to your information that you need in order to solve this problem.